Hey guys, so yes, I'm doing another unboxing video. Yeah, I know. A lot of unboxing videos, but I know exactly what this is. I've been waiting for this for like a week, and yeah, let's do this. Okay, scissors. I need scissors. That they are. I don't want to rip anything. Okay. God. Oh, there it is! Oh my God! This is amazing! Look! It's a Markiplier Warfstash. What did I oh! It's Markiplier Warfstash! It's beautiful and amazing, and I'm gonna wear this for like a week. Oh, I love this. Oh, it's so beautiful. Anyway, I'm gonna go, but I'll see you guys later. Bye.